Welcome back. Breaking inputs coming in. PM likely to meet J&K political leaders on June 24th. This is the first such meet post the abrogation of Article 370. Home Minister Amit Shah and other union ministers are also likely to attend. Sources say that the government aims to bolster the political process in Jammu and Kashmir. So, a significant piece of news. PM likely to meet J&K political leaders on June 24th.
मेरी जानकारी के मुताबिक कल मेरी स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट साहब से बात हुई थी, तो इस तरह का ऑफिशियल अभी तक कुछ है नहीं। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि जिस प्रकार से जम्मू कश्मीर में काफ़ी देर से ब्यूरोक्रेसी काम कर रही है धारा 370 टूटने के बाद, तो हो सकता है कि पॉलिटिकल प्रोसेस शुरू करने के लिए इस प्रकार का कदम उठाया जाए। तो कुल मिलाकर के अच्छी बात है, होना भी चाहिए। सभी को कॉन्फिडेंस में लेकर के यहाँ पर द्वारा डेमोक्रेटिक सेटअप बने तो मुझे लगता है अच्छा रहेगा।
Right, for more on this, I'm joined by my colleague Sohail on the broadcast. Sohail, thank you for joining us. It's a significant development if it's true that Prime Minister Modi is likely to meet J&K political leaders. Earlier also, there were reports that this year, in all likelihood, elections might take place in J&K, and now we know that Prime Minister is likely to meet J&K political leaders. For the benefit of our viewers, could you explain us the current scenario? Who all have been invited to this meeting? Do we have any confirmation on that? And any response from various political parties of J&K on this meeting with Prime Minister?
Well, it's the first major reach out by Centre after the abrogation of Article 370. The political parties, including national and regional, they will be invited for all-party meeting in New Delhi, which is actually, which is likely to take place on Thursday, June 24th, to discuss the present situation of Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, the political parties have confirmed that they have been informed about this meeting, and former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Mehbooba Mufti, has also been informed by the centre about this meeting. So, in this meeting, it's expected that the Prime Minister will discuss, that how Jammu and Kashmir, how they will conduct election in Jammu and Kashmir. The regional parties have been insisting for restoration of the restoration of the constitutional rights. But the meeting will primarily focus on elections, which are almost to take place by the end of this year. And in fact, the district administration, the administration of Union Territory, has been planning, and they have been informed by the centre already. As per the sources. So, in fact, the recent Election Commission of India had sent a detailed. They have sent a detailed questionnaire to the deputy commissioners about delimitation. So this is basically a process that after delimitation, this process is completed within 2 to 3 months. The election will be conducted in Jammu and Kashmir. So this is the first major reach out in which not only the regional parties, in fact the national parties also, will be informed. They will be formally invited for this meeting, which is likely to take place on 24th of this month and to be chaired by Prime Minister. And the focus will be elections, because Jammu and Kashmir, people here, the political parties have been waiting, and moreover, first for some parties, the demand is that there should be restoration of the constitutional change, and there are a few parties that are demanding that Jammu and Kashmir should be given the statehood. So all eyes are on 24th, which is basically the date. So we will have to wait and watch what exactly transpires in that meeting.
All right, thank you, Sohail, for that update and bringing us up to speed with that development. With that, we've run out of time on this broadcast. Stay tuned to Mirror Now for news and updates. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.